This is a 2011 Dodge Durango. It features a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include adaptive cruise control, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, cooled seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window wiper, and this vehicle has fewer than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.